ripping some Pokémon
Hey
packs.
guys, it's Jinx. I got some boxes to open. Let's see what we get. And of course, you know your girl had to get that Charizard box. Had to. Let's start opening these packs. We're gonna do the building battle first. I just want to say, this little box is so dope that they come in. Definitely gonna keep that. I normally throw all the packaging away once I open them and put my cards away. But this, I definitely think I'm gonna keep. Ain't that dope? Like, look how it opens. That's so dope. I guess it comes with a list, so you could check off all the cards you get from these packs. Well, from this specific pack. The Scarlet and Violet, the Sad and Flames card list. But that's pretty dope that it comes with a little checklist for everything. Alright, let's start ripping open packs. Hot. So this is the pack I got inside the already built deck. So let's see what we get in here. Alright, let's see what we get in this. Oh, these. Are these a bunch of energy cards? Okay, that was that. Yes, that's just the building battle.
Did you know that people shop across Google more than 1 billion times a day?
Alright, I think I'm about to set this down.
Google is the first place shoppers go to discover a new item or product.
Alright, pack number 1. Let's see what we pull. Let's see what we pull. I feel like you're basically pulling the same cards. Alright, this is the second pack.
Man, I was tripping. I grew up around sinners that was trying to win. People living to die, but they was dying to live. Think about you every now and then. I ride by the crib, call it the crib, but my mother hasn't lived there in years. Meanwhile, my cousin came home,
Alright, pack 3.
You try and you can't quit it. To think it's a shame that your name's in the same sentence as a junkie, a flunky. You're back, it's the monkey. You used to have it all. The hoes and the money. Had a dream that you killed yourself. Woke up reaching for my phone like you needed my help. But I'm so focused on myself and my daughter doing well. You're a grown man. I have to hope you're going
oh my god, I almost knocked my phone over.
And I know that you're feeling the pain, but you're an
Alright, this is the last pack out of the building battle. I'm gonna do another video, so this ain't super long, to open up the Charizard box. Because this is already at like 3. So,
Anyone with $10,000 or more in credit card debt or personal loans may qualify for help from National Debt Relief. Minimum payments could literally keep you in debt for decades. $10,000 in debt can take anywhere from 14 to 26 years to pay off if you're only paying the minimums. And that's just $10,000. I know many of us have a lot more than that. Getting started is easy, and the process has already helped over 500,000 people and counting.
I'll take it.
Congratulations. You qualify to be a part of the National Debt Relief Program. You're not alone in that same level. I'm debt free. Wow, I can't thank National Debt Relief.
It's pretty cool. I like
Find out
it.
if you're eligible today. Click the link on this video.